Well, hey, and welcome back to Jim's Kitchen. A while back, I did a video all about this cookbook, Better Homes and Gardens, Meals in Minutes. And one of my viewers said in a comment, they said 45 years ago they had this cookbook. And from this cookbook, to this day, they still make this one recipe. And it's called the onion cheese supper bread. I'd like to thank Ozzy Cat's mom for bringing that up. I looked in the book and I saw the onion cheese supper bread and I'm ready to give it a try. I started by cutting and sauteing an onion. I'm using a sweet onion. Grab a sturdy bowl, half cup of milk, 1 beaten egg. I'm adding 1.5 cups of biscuit mix. And of course that means Bisquick. Mix that until just moistened. Add those onions, half a cup of shredded cheddar cheese, a tablespoon of parsley flakes, and a couple teaspoons of dill. Mix that together, and I'm putting that into a prepared 8x8 baking dish. And sprinkle with another half cup of cheese. Then you drizzle 2 tablespoons of butter onto the top. And then bake it at 400 for about 20 minutes. Looking good. I actually cooked it for about 25 minutes. Love that golden brown top. It suggests serving it with a salad to make it a nice, well-rounded meal. Let's try it. It's amazing. Incredible flavors. I like it. Love the onion. It really pops in your mouth, and the dill is a perfect addition. Thank you so much, Ozzy Cat's mom. This is an awesome suggestion. What would you call Cinderella if she was a milkmaid? Mozzarella.